So welcome today again to another edition of Simma Dung. So today I've got an interesting one for you today, which is very requested. So today I'm gonna do a banana bread with nuts on plantain and scotch bonnet ice cream with some rum inside it, basically. And you know, we always do our thing, you know, so it's banana meat plantain. That's the Simma Dung style. So you know, so plantain meat banana. So that's what today's menu about. For the banana bread, we need 900 gram of overripe bananas, 900 gram caster sugar, preferably brown, 8 medium-sized eggs, 900 gram plain flour, 43 gram baking powder, 14 gram baking soda, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 480 grams of vegetable oil, 480 grams of milk, 50 grams of walnut, 25 grams sunflower seed, and 25 gram pumpkin seeds. The key to any pastries, whilst you're going to put it into the oven, you have to make sure that the oven is preheated, meaning you turn the oven on before the cooking time, because what you want to do, you want to balance the temperature within it, because if you put it in at a cold oven, then what's going to happen, the dough going to sit there and it's going to take a while for it to raise, and then what will happen, you will find that you have a more gooey dough. If the oven is at the right temperature and it's balanced, then what you'll find happen, it will start to raise instantly. Also, any sponge that you're making the correct temperature, I always start at 160, so it has a slow rise, because what you don't want to do is put it at a high heat and the outside cooks very quickly and the inside takes a longer time. So always let it go on a slower temperature and let it slowly rise, and you'll have nicer, more moist pudding or cake. I'm combining my eggs, milk, oil, sugar, and I'm just adding it slowly. Then my bananas gradually. I'm going the old school way, and the old school way is to make love to the dish, okay? So that's what we call it. So back in the days when when we were in college, one of the best way they said is to feel the product, you know what I mean? You get a better feel and so I'm going in old school way, so I'm incorporating slowly the old school way. And notice how I'm gently putting in the mix, because what I don't want to do, I don't want to over whip it either. Combining all the dry ingredients now, all the dry ingredients. Then my nuts. And that's the consistency you want it, guys. That's the consistency. That's what it should look like, guys. That's the texture. So see, you can't show these skills when you're using the mixer. Right? Nothing is clean as your hands if you wash it constantly. So we practice hygiene as well. We call it, clean as you go. So 160 degrees Celsius. When you're doing the batter, when it's going into your baking tray, you don't want to fill it, right? Because remember, it still has to rise. So you just want to put it halfway, and once it's halfway, then when it's starting to bake, then it will rise. So for the ice cream, we need 400 ml of the canned coconut milk, 250 ml of coconut cream or creamed coconut, 3 medium-sized ripe plantain, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half scotch bonnet pepper, de-seeded finely diced, 80 gram caster sugar, coconut cream, coconut milk, and sugar. Some vanilla. You can use vanilla pod, that's fine as well. I'm using Madagascar vanilla. It's better in flavor. So because the coconut cream is solid, so what I'm doing is I'm just breaking it down. Once plantain is added and the rum, combine all ingredients together. Now blend the plantain into a smooth puree. Add it to the mixture and then add a little touch of rum. The rum is optional, I just add it for a bit more flavor. Churn in your churner. If you haven't got a churner, then you can also place it in a chilled container. So you can have one of your chilled container, preferably metallic, leave it into the freezer. And then once that's done, then you add your mixture and then freeze immediately. Clean as you go, you know what I mean? That's one of the main important thing, or the most important thing working in a kitchen is clean as you go. You wash your hands constantly. For the scotch bonnet syrup, you need half of a scotch bonnet pepper, de-seeded and finely diced. 50 grams of castor sugar, 50 grams of water. Scotch bonnet into sugar mixture. Turn your knob on your oven, let it reduce until it becomes of a syrup consistency. Leave to chill and then serve. Well guys, that was an exciting day. We just completed pudding as requested. But always we do Simma Dung style. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment if you wish. And guys, if you don't leave comments, if you don't like the channel, if you don't subscribe, the channel won't grow. So please guys, don't forget to click that button, that like button, and also that notification button. And we say cheers.